Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi, I'm Pooja Nagdev. I'm founder of Inatur, Ayurveda and Aromatherapy. Inatur is I and Natur, India, Innovation and Nature. So we are using Ayurveda and aromatherapy to make natural and organic skincare, hair care and wellness products. So these products are completely safe. They don't have any harmful chemicals in them. And due care is taken that no artificial chemicals are added. This Deepavali, we have come up with a beautiful range of exquisite gift boxes. So we have this range of products, bathing bars, organic shower gels, lotions, which people are going to use it and love it when somebody gifts it to them. And these gift boxes are very pocket friendly too. You don't have to spend an extraordinary amount to gift to your loved ones. Our range starts from 650 bucks and rupees, and it goes up till it's your wish how much you want to, what kind of box you want. So and this range is very beneficial and people would love it. So I feel yes, one should now start gifting people natural and organic skincare and wellness products.
Hi, my name is Sanya. I started this venture greenish 6 years back. So due to rise in pollution, especially in winters when we see, so people are gifting plants more and more. So they have definitely adapted this culture of green gifting. Initially when we started, it was very difficult to convince others about the concept. Now everybody is adapting into this concept and they are going for green gifting now. So the starting range that we have starts from 200 and it's goes up to 1500 also.
Hi, I'm Nishita and I'm a partner at Niana, and this is my mom Leena, who's the founder of Niana. So Niana is a luxury home fragrance brand and we specialize in eco-friendly scented soy candles, reed diffusers, room sprays and sachets.
So soy is a natural product, and at the time when we started, there were no candles in India that were made out of soy. And soy is biodegradable, eco-friendly, and is non-toxic when burnt. So soy wax, which we use 100% of the wax. Apart from the candle being natural, each candle is hand poured and hand packaged. Because they are eco-friendly, they make good gifts given the pollution in the city. So our fragrances are really special. We have 5 different types of fragrances and we've matched them according to each product.
Diwali range is between 850 and 1500, and the rest of our range is between around 685 and it goes up to 3200.